How to pin a sticker on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version so that you avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store and then tap on Instagram, see if there are any updates available. Now my phone does not have any updates available and it is updated, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the Instagram application. So here I'm going to tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and then I can post any sort of post or story or reel. So I'm just going to tap on story over here by swiping left, and randomly I'm going to click a picture, and then how I'm going to put a sticker is tap on this icon right here, and as you tap on this icon you can get various type of stickers right at the bottom. So I'm here choosing this one and I'm posting it by clicking on your stories. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.